invite into court Kraken Archsdottir.
See, Kraken, we couldn't have you come up here earlier. We knew we were going to call you up here again.
Proclaim.
So, Her Majesty and I, when we ascended to the throne, we looked at our own children and we saw what they were doing. We looked at the children of our barony, we looked at the children of our kingdom, and we saw...
We also heard the cry of the parrot. That there is so much the children are doing and not being recognized for. Please do something to change that. And we have decided, and worked diligently with staff, to create a recognition for the youth of this kingdom.
Proclaim unto all that we, Wigfang, king by right of arms of the Middle Kingdom, and Aessa, our valiant queen, would fain honor Kraken Archsdottir for her superior skill in archery within the Archers' Corps of the Middle Kingdom. Therefore, we are minded to present upon her the award of the Dragon's Dart, making her the premier recipient.
The Midrealm has not created awards in over 20 years.
Wow.
We looked at the awards that we give out today, and we realized that for the youth of our kingdom, we didn't have an award that recognized what we recognize for the adults with archery thrown weapons. So we scoured through the database, we looked through everyone that we could think of, and Kraken, you were the first
We
one.
also asked for recommendations.
Yeah, we asked for recommendations too. So, and Kraken, by evidence today, you winning the tournament for the children, you make the most sense to be the premier of this.
You exemplify everything we would wish this award would do. You are the perfect queen. You are now first to receive a new award in 20 years as well.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!